Hi there. So now we are going to review the different forms of energy. Just a simple or activating your prior knowledge regarding what energy is. Energy is somewhat related to power. Yes. And energy is the ability to do work. Without energy, wouldn't be able to do any work, right? And even in some of the appliances that you have in your house, there is a need for energy to make it work. So now we are going to determine different forms of energy, beginning with the first, and we call that the heat energy. This form of energy is released by moving particles like atoms and even molecules. When you rub two objects together, the mechanical energy of that object is converted into heat, like rubbing your hands together. That is the mechanical energy. And somewhat, this mechanical energy is converted into something that what we know as heat energy. Now you feel the heat when you rub your hands. So any form of like the flame or the heat coming from the sun, they are heat energy. Next is mechanical energy. So any form of movement possessed by an object or machine can be referred to a mechanical energy. Energy 2, like this one, energy 2, an object's motion, which is kinetic, or position, like potential energy. Those are the two kinds of energy. This is under mechanical energy. Remember that if the object is moving, it possesses kinetic energy. And if the object is at rest, then it possesses potential energy. Like the bowling ball, it has a mechanical energy, and when it strikes the pins, this mechanical energy is now transferred to the pins. The pins will move. So, therefore, it's mechanical energy. The third one is called the chemical energy. It is the energy stored by atoms and molecules due to their structures. When bonds that hold atoms and molecules together are broken, this energy is released. Like when you burn a paper, then therefore the energy that is available for release forms chemical reactions, even photosynthesis in plants to make their own food using raw materials such as light coming from the sun, carbon dioxide, and even water. They are they turn into a new form that's in a chemical process, mixing substances together and making chemical reactions. Therefore, it's chemical energy. Next, we have the nuclear energy, and these are the energy stored in a nuclei form. It involves when nuclear fusion or fission occurs. Nuclear energy is unusual in that it can give off energy in the form of light and even heat. Submarines, power plants, and smoke detectors use nuclear energy, and nuclear power plants use uranium, a radioactive element, to create electricity. Next, we have electromagnetic or electrical energy. These are the energy associated with the movement of electric charges. It can be used to make bulbs to glow, giving light energy. May be used to start the motor of an automobile. Electrical energy caused by the movement of electrons to, let's say, copper wire or any metal, easily transported through power lines and converted into other forms of energy. It may be mechanical, heat, or some other forms of. While electromagnetic energy is a light energy, and this energy travels in the form of wave, such as the gamma rays, X rays, ultraviolet rays, visible light, infrared rays, microwave, and the radio bands. The reason why you can use the internet connection and you can call or send your text message is because of this electromagnetic energy. And these are some examples of electromagnetic energy. Combination of electricity and even magnetism. So the reason why electrons can move into the wire because of this electromagnetism. So some of the animated representation of how electromagnetism works and be converted to another form of energy. And our earth is a big example of electromagnetic energy. So, therefore, those are the examples of the different forms of energy. I hope you learned something from heat energy, electromagnetic, electrical energy. Then we have mechanical energy, maybe kinetic or potential in nature. So, hope to see you again. Bye bye.